Hey guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I post every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you have those notifications on so you don't miss a single video. Welcome to another vlog, which is not yet on my new vlog camera because they messed up my order, so I don't have it yet. But for the next couple of hours, I'm going to be tackling my very messy rooms. My bedroom, my old bedroom where I do my makeup, the room with the TV, and my bathroom. Very messy, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because I don't know about you, but I love watching cleaning and organizing videos, and I love before and afters, and I just think it'll be nice. So my brother and I used to share this whole space, you know, when we were little kids. I'll just show you really quick so that you can see what I need to clean. So this is the TV room with the fold-out couch. I have some clothes that need to be put away. There's always stuff over there. This is my current bedroom. This is the cute one. This is totally my vibe, but very messy as you can see. I need to fix that whole closet situation. And then back out here is my bathroom. I need to take down this Christmas shower curtain that I still have. Clean up this. I have a lot of clothes shoved back here from when I take showers. And then here's my old bedroom where I have my desk and I do my makeup. Yeah, this place needs a lot of help. This is where I keep my items that I have listed for Poshmark if you want to shop my clothes. I had a thought when I woke up this morning, and it might get crowded, but I thought about reorganizing my bedroom. This room is more my style. I was thinking about moving my makeup desk in here. So if we just turn the bed this way, put the nightstand next to it, and the desk against that wall, I think it could work. So first step is to clean everything, and then I'll worry about reorganizing. Question of the day, what color is your bedroom? I'm curious. I'm gonna repaint this, just the ceiling. I'm gonna do it baby blue and paint clouds. It's gonna be so cute in here. All right, let's get to it. Probably my most dreaded part, putting away my clean laundry. I always procrastinate on that, but I gotta do that so that I can put my other dirty clothes back in the laundry basket. It's like a never-ending cycle. Is it just me, or does cleaning make you like really hot? I don't... What's up? It's like a week later. I just wanted to include this in the video. I'm going to paint my ceiling and I'm so excited. So I live in Washington and it's always gray. Of course, not right now. It's beautiful and sunny outside. But the gray is just so freaking depressing, and nothing makes me happier than a bright blue sunny day. So I got some paint from Amazon and I'm gonna paint my ceiling baby blue with clouds on it, and I'm so excited. I dug all of this painting stuff out of the garage. I've never painted like a room before in my life. I'm not even gonna ask my parents for help. I'm just gonna go for it. I can't mess it up that bad, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go tape the edges of the ceiling so that it doesn't drip onto my walls. All right, we got the can of paint open. Now it's time to stir. All right, I'm gonna start by painting the edges. Here goes nothing. Wow, this is a lot more of a workout than I was planning on. My arm is dead and I'm hot. But we got all of the edges painted and I'm so excited. It's such a beautiful color. I was kind of worried when I saw this in the can because it looked almost white, but it's definitely more blue on the ceiling and it's perfect. Now for the roller part. Alright guys, one coat is done. Look at this. Oh yeah. It looks really light on camera, but it is more blue in person. And I'm just gonna let that dry for a while, and meanwhile, film a prank on my boyfriend. I'm going to be pretending to break up with him with one of those classic lyric pranks over text. So look out for that video coming next. But I'm exhausted. I wish I didn't have to do the second coat of paint today, but I really want to get it done, so On to painting the clouds. I cannot believe how well this is working. I took one of these sponges and cut up the bottom so that there will be spaces in it. And I already did one cloud. I'm so happy with it. I think I'm just gonna wait to show you guys until the end, but I'm just hardly getting any paint and just kind of pressing it, and that's how I'll make my clouds. Alright guys, I did end up finishing all of the painting in one day, and I'm here for the reveal, and I just love how it turned out. I'm sure it won't look nearly as good on the camera, but it's great. So here it is when you walk in. We have a bunch of different size clouds, and it's just so light and happy. And I lost some footage of me finishing cleaning up, but this is how the reorganization went. I love my desk in here. It fits really well. I have some more clouds here, and when I'm laying in bed, I did a secret heart, which isn't that secret because it's kind of big, but I love it. So happy. If you guys have any suggestions for upcoming videos, let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your guys' comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.